Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today, we are going to compare the Instant Pot Vortex Plus and the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven. We'll dive into their features, functions, and capabilities to help you make the right purchase. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more such content. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus is priced at $159, while the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven is priced at $59. If you're on a budget, the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven is certainly a better deal. Both appliances can air fry, roast, bake, reheat, and dehydrate. However, the Vortex Plus offers an additional broil function, making it a 6-in-1 appliance. The Gourmia Air Fryer Oven also boasts 12 one-touch digital presets that deliver the best results. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus uses Even Crisp technology that drives airflow top-down for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. The Gourmia Air Fryer Oven comes with fat removal technology in the air fryer basket, removing up to 90% of fat through the cooking process. Both appliances offer dishwasher-safe parts, making it quick and easy to clean up after use. It's a dead heat in this category. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus has a compact design with stainless steel accents, which perfectly combines function and style in a countertop-friendly size. The Gourmia Air Fryer Oven has a sleek and modern design, fitting beautifully into any kitchen. So, that's our comparison of the Instant Pot Vortex Plus and the Gourmia Air Fryer Oven. Both appliances have their strengths and weaknesses, so it comes down to your personal preference and what you're planning on cooking. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.